Welcome, today in front of me Nubia Red Magic 7 and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch on this device. So first, let's just check, and we can see that by double press the power key button we just can't launch, for example, the camera application. And if you wanna activate the Quick Launch to camera app by double press the power key, you should launch the settings application and then tap here, scroll down to the more features, then click here to quick start, and just to quickly open camera we should click once on the switcher to activate this option. And now by double press the power key we can see that the camera application successfully turned on. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.